In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pictures on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. If you're looking to update your business profile with a fresh look, stick around as I guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Fresha's site specifically designed for businesses. Simply type in or click on the link https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This will take you to the right place to start making changes to your profile. Once you're there, your next move is to log in. Look for the login button and give it a click. It's straightforward enough, but this step is crucial because it gives you access to the back end of your business profile on Fresha. Following this, you'll see an option that says For Business. Click on this to ensure you're accessing the business section of Fresha, where you can make the necessary updates to your profile. Now for signing in. Fresha gives you the option to sign in using Google, which is quite convenient if you ask me. It streamlines the process, especially if you're already using Google services for your business. So go ahead and click on that option. Once you click on sign in using Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for your Fresha business profile. This should be the account you originally set up your Fresha profile with, or the one you manage your business through. After successfully signing in, it's time to navigate to your profile photo. You can do this by going directly to your profile. Here's a quick link to take you there. https://partners.fresha.com/user-account/profile. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see your current profile photo displayed. Next up, you want to go into your profile settings. This can be easily done by clicking on the profile option. This part is crucial because it is where you can view and edit all details related to your profile. Now to the main event, changing your profile picture. Locate the edit button in your profile photo section. This will allow you to update or change the picture that's currently set as your profile picture. And here's where the magic happens. You will now browse and select the new profile photo from your computer. Choose a photo that represents your business best. It might be your logo, a picture of your storefront, or perhaps a professional headshot if your brand is closely tied to your personal image. Remember, this photo will be the first impression many clients get, so choose wisely. Once you've selected the perfect picture, it's time to save your changes. Simply click on Save, and your new profile picture will be updated on your Fresha business profile. It's as simple as that. Let's talk a bit about the photo you choose to upload. Image quality is key here. Ensure that the photo is clear, well lit, and professional. This photo represents your business, so you want it to be as inviting as possible. If you're changing your profile picture to a logo, make sure it's centered and the resolution is high enough to not appear pixelated on your profile. Changing your profile picture on Fresha is a quick and easy process that can significantly impact how potential clients perceive your business. A fresh, professional profile picture can attract more clients by making a great first impression. And that, dear viewers, is how you change pictures on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're refreshing your brand's image or simply updating your profile with a more recent photo, following these steps will ensure the process is hassle-free. Remember, keeping your business profile updated, including your profile picture, is crucial in attracting and retaining clients. It reflects your dedication to your business and helps clients feel more connected to your brand. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-tos and tips to make managing your business on Fresha even easier. Until next time.